Welcome back to Rock and Ride Reviews, your ultimate hub for real car insights, hardcore reviews, and automotive stories that matter. Today we're diving into something iconic, something legendary that shaped the automotive world in the 1930s and 1940s, when Volkswagen was just starting to evolve, challenging big brands, redefining what people expected from mobility, and laying the groundwork for vehicles that would become cultural icons. And now, fast forward to 2026, Volkswagen has revived the magic with the all-new T1 Samba, a model that pays tribute to its roots but is built for the modern era. So buckle up, stay with me till the end because we're breaking down everything: design, interior, performance, pricing, release dates, and finally, the big question: should you buy it or not? Let's start with the design. The 2026 T1 Samba is a modern reinterpretation of the classic T1 microbus, but don't let the nostalgia fool you. It's sharper, cleaner, and more sophisticated, starting with its front fascia, where the signature rounded nose is back but now features a fully digital light signature with sleek LED indicators. The chrome accents are tasteful, not overdone, paying homage to the 1960s Samba charm. And the panoramic glass roof is massive, giving it that airy, open feel that the original Samba fans loved. The side profile is instantly recognizable. The two-tone paint options scream vintage vibes while blending seamlessly with contemporary lines. The wheels are modern alloys that maintain a retro look, and the rear is minimalistic yet elegant, with subtle LED tail lamps that nod to the past but shine in the present. Moving inside, the interior is where nostalgia meets futuristic technology. The cabin has been completely redesigned with premium materials, think brushed aluminum, soft touch panels, and heritage-inspired stitching. The seating is spacious, incredibly comfortable, perfect for family road trips or van life adventures. The dashboard is dominated by a fully digital instrument cluster and a central infotainment touchscreen that supports the latest Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even gesture controls. Yes, you heard that right. Volkswagen has blended retro charm with high-tech innovation. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin creates a cozy vibe, and the sliding doors make access effortless, a true tribute to its roots but fit for 2026 lifestyles. Now let's talk performance, and here's where Volkswagen surprised everyone. The T1 Samba is available in multiple configurations, including an all-electric powertrain, delivering smooth, quiet, yet punchy acceleration. The instant torque makes city driving effortless, while adaptive suspension ensures comfort on highways. The handling is surprisingly agile for a vehicle with such heritage-inspired proportions. Regenerative braking adds efficiency, and the range is competitive for 2026 standards. Whether you're cruising through urban streets or tackling scenic routes, this van is designed to bring joy and practicality in equal measure. Next, the pricing. The Volkswagen 2026 T1 Samba enters a premium segment, reflecting its design, technology, and electric powertrain. Expect a starting range around $55,000 for the base EV model, with higher trims reaching close to $75,000 with all the bells and whistles. Yes, it's an investment, but for enthusiasts who value history, design, and modern efficiency, it's a statement piece that you don't just drive, you experience. Release date. Mark your calendars because Volkswagen plans to roll out the T1 Samba globally in mid-2026. Initial deliveries are expected in Europe and North America first, with other regions following later. Pre-orders are already creating buzz, and collectors as well as modern-day van lovers are keeping a close eye on. Availability. This isn't just a car, it's a revival of a legend. Now, should you buy it? That's the big question. If you're a fan of heritage, if you love the idea of owning a modern piece of history that's also practical, fun, and tech-forward, the answer leans heavily toward yes. The T1 Samba isn't just nostalgia, it's a full-blown lifestyle vehicle, perfect for road trips, weekend getaways, or simply making a statement wherever you park it. However, if your priority is raw performance, speed, or traditional SUV capabilities, you might want to consider this as a passion purchase rather than a daily driver. But for those who appreciate automotive storytelling, design innovation, and cultural significance, this vehicle is a home run. In conclusion, the Volkswagen 2026 T1 Samba is more than just a van. It's a journey through time, from the humble beginnings of Volkswagen in the 1930s and 1940s, challenging big brands and creating an identity, to today's cutting-edge interpretation that honors its past while embracing 2026 technology and sustainability. with stunning design, a futuristic interior, efficient electric powertrains, and that unmatched aura of nostalgia. It captures hearts, it turns heads, and it makes you feel part of a legacy. So that's our full breakdown on the 2026 Volkswagen T1 Samba. From design to interior, performance, pricing, release dates, and the ultimate verdict on ownership. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Rock and Ride Reviews for more in-depth automotive stories, share this with your fellow car enthusiasts, and hit the bell icon so you never miss when we break down the next legendary ride. Stay tuned, stay curious, and remember, here at Rock and Ride Reviews, we don't just review cars, we explore the soul of automotive innovation. This is the Volkswagen T1 Samba, reborn for 2026, and it's nothing short of spectacular.